I have been making promises. I'm going to teach you how to calculate your battery health. So this episode is not only for people that want to buy a fairly used laptop and they want to inspect. You have a laptop that you're currently using and you want to check your battery percent. You want to check your battery health. What do you do? Come with me and I'll be showing you how to calculate your battery health. So first things first, you type on your search bar CMD, that's command prompt. You click on open, it opens up, and what you type in the command prompt is simple. You just type power CFG space battery report. So this saves it to your file path. That's your, then how to access your file path. You see this yellow envelope, it's called File Explorer. Click on the File Explorer, go to this PC, then double click on this PC, go to users, double click on that, then go to your user profile. Then this is, see, it has been saved here already. It has been saved. It's always saved as HTML file. You can either open it with Edge or Chrome. So double click on that. So this opens up your battery report. So we're going to calculate this battery report. So to know how your battery percentage, this is what you do. So if you have a calculator on your phone, you can bring that out. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be calculating the design capacity minus the full charge capacity. So that is 450045 minus 33495. That is equal to 11550. So we're going to be doing this answer divided again by the design capacity. So this answer divided by 45045 is equal to. So we get this. So the next one we're going to be multiplying this by 100 to get the percentage. So you multiply this, your answer, by 100. This is it. So when we get this, we're going to minus it by 100. So this minus 100. Sorry, my hand is slipping. So this means that this is the battery percentage. This is the battery health. The battery is at 74%. So you can still manage this. This will last you about 2-3 months. So this is how to calculate your battery percent or your battery health. So, I know that you enjoyed this episode, and if you did, kindly follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Neighborhood Texas. Do have a lovely day, and please, if you have any more questions, don't be afraid to ask in the comment section. Okay, have a lovely day. Bye.